Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on what we call in the industry a manual J, residential load calculation. Technically, what's manual J? What's manual J? Let me give you a little bit of experience. The last 3 furnaces, 3 of them that I want to go troubleshoot, they're all oversized, and the problem is that they keep overheating, tripping the limit, and eventually it's gonna overheat and crack the exchanger. All right. Or there's also undersized. The stupid thing's on all day and it doesn't heat up. So technically, a manual J load calculation is what you gotta do on. Well, I don't know if every time, but me personally, I don't like to guess. I like to go with what's on the book, right? So I have a property, 3 units that I'm about to do in Chicago, and I just wanted to show you guys how I take these blueprints right here, how I get the information, and how I input it into the computer so that I know what size heat you need. Like right here, obviously you need more heat than cool, right? So obviously this is probably a basement. I got tons of these files. That's just one that I pulled up. And then B, how much CFM and BTUs heating and BTUs cooling you need per room, because all the rooms are different sizes. And with that, you can input that information into what they call a MANUAL D Duct Design, and then you can pretty much do a sketch here and just get the ductwork correctly, you know. But either way, welcome to my channel, Mushroom Castle. This is my new, well, it's not my new YouTube channel, but I'm finally starting to upload some videos, and I'm trying to upload some banger videos, guys. Not no silly stuff, man. This is the real deal, all right? Anyways, reporting live from the 5, Chicago. I hope you like this video. It's gonna probably be like 3 parts also. Yeah, I don't understand why this thing stops recording, honestly. Yeah, so look. This is technically behind that wall right there. Eight feet. From here to here, I already know it's 8 feet also. And technically that right there is gonna be the end of that bedroom over there. So I don't really have to measure it. It's just gonna be defaulted into the drawing. Okay, so look, this is where that wall ends. I don't have to measure this. This is the closet. The only thing I care about is these 8 feet. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, maybe that's too much. 2, 4, 6, 8. I got like 9 feet in here. That's okay, you could be off by a hair. It's not super precise math, guys. All right, and then also we're gonna need the height of this thing. It's a tall ceiling. 9.5. You gotta know the height of the ceiling also. So we'll do a 9.5 feet tall. Okay, and technically I do this for every room. Same thing for this, like, check this out, okay? It's easier if I show you guys. $16, so obviously 16 divided by 2 is 8 squares. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 16. So that ends up being this one, and then I'll measure from that wall to here. What do we got? 15 feet, 15 feet. So 15 feet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. This is 6. Technically, this should be right here. 1 foot is not gonna kill anybody right now, honestly. But technically, this should be right here. Or actually, you know what? Maybe not, because this is probably like a foot right here. Okay, another thing to look out for is obviously imagine the property being straight like this. Well, this is sticking out of the property, right? It's a good 3, is it 3 feet? That's a good, it looks like 3 feet, guys. Let's just say a little bit less than 3 feet. So look, 2, 3 right here. And then obviously that that angle starts like right here. Well, actually, let's see where it starts. At 3 feet. So obviously it starts at 2, 3 feet right here. So this would be the angle right here. And obviously it ends almost right here at the end of that other wall. Okay. So that's how you take care of these portions right there. I don't think any of the walls over there have that problem. Same thing, measure the room, measure all the rooms, guys. Aluminum foil and a gas leak. Alright, so once all that is said and done, we got the height. Let's just look and see which walls have windows. Obviously this is, and if possible, you could technically measure this, and then usually no one has the math on these windows unless they're brand new windows. So we just go by small, medium, or large. Window space, large, obviously. So I'll put over here, I'll do a line for windows, and then I'll write on there large. Okay, for this one right here, this is kind of large also. If it takes up half the wall, it's large. Also right here, one window. Large. And I'll do that for every single room. This one, technically, we're not gonna heat, so this is like a dead space. Don't worry about that. Yeah, so this will be small right here. So this window doesn't matter to me. This one right here. Small, yeah, it takes up almost no space in there whatsoever. Right here, medium. This would be like a medium to me. So right here, I'll put medium. Let's do the last few rooms real quick. Let me block over here. 1 second, guys. Small, 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 3 smalls. And then honestly, all 3 floors should be the same thing. That's the one good thing about these buildings. All the floors are the same thing. So technically this will be a small, small, small. It's important you get the right wall, because it matters if it's facing northeast, southwest. Technically this is the first step right here for doing a manual J calculation, just so you guys can see right here. And then yeah, I'll do this for all 3 floors just to get you guys started. I'm gonna try not to make this video so long, but that'll be how I get started on a manual J calculation. And technically, if you can have this on hand, it'll be better than if you have to go on site. And oh wait, the bathroom. Small. Alright, stay tuned for part number 2. Once we start figuring out some math, and then part 3 is going to be actual inputting the information on the computer and see what it spits out. But yeah, welcome to my channel, man. Electrical and HVAC licensed since 2005. I also have a video on what tools and services or service bag you need to carry with you at all times, guys. Alright, thanks for watching.